Imagine a loan that's designed to help you build credit, not to give you cash up front to spend, but to help you prove you can repay on time. That's the basic promise of a credit builder loan. It's deliberately simple and deliberately slow. The lender places the loan amount in a savings-like account or certificate of deposit, CD, that you don't get access to until you finish paying. Each monthly payment is recorded to the credit bureaus as an installment loan payment. The same kind of trade line lenders like to see when they measure payment history and responsibility. Over time, on-time payments build a positive record. Why does that structure exist? Two practical reasons. First, it lowers risk for the lender. The money is secured in an account, so they can offer these products to people with little or damaged credit. Second, it forces the borrower into a positive pattern. Small, consistent payments. For many people who are credit invisible or thin file, this is exactly what they need. A reliable published payment history that moves them from invisibility toward a score. The CFPB's research found that for consumers without existing debt, a credit builder loan increased the likelihood of establishing a credit record and tended to raise scores, in some participants by tens of points, though outcomes vary depending on prior credit status and behavior. Let's be concrete about how these loans typically look in the market. Lenders, community banks, credit unions, fintechs like Self or Credit Strong offer credit builder loans in amounts often from $300 to $3,000, with terms usually from 6 to 24 months. Lenders deposit the principal into a locked account or CD. You make interest-bearing monthly payments, and at the end of the term, the funds are released to you, minus interest/fees. The lender reports the installment payments to the bureaus. That's where the credit build happens. Fees and APRs vary. Some products charge modest fees and low APRs, others charge more. So shopping matters. Now, how fast can a credit builder loan move your score? That's the burning question, and the honest answer is, it depends. If you have no credit history at all, the CFPB and other studies show credit builder loans can generate scores within months, where previously none existed. In some cases, moving people into a score-producing zone within 3 to 6 months if payments are timely and the account is reported. The CFPB's controlled evaluation found notably stronger effects for credit-invisible consumers. But for people who already have existing debt and a score, the immediate effect may be modest, or even negative at first, because the new loan adds an inquiry/trade line and changes your mix of credit. Where the payoff appears is in the ensuing months as a positive installment payment history accrues. Why do scores sometimes dip first? Two reasons. First, certain credit models may respond to a new loan by reweighting your file. A new account can temporarily reduce the average age of accounts. Second, if there are any missed payments, the harm from a late installment is larger than the small gain from a single month of on-time reporting. That's why consistency is the single non-negotiable. If you can't make the scheduled payment reliably, a credit builder loan will likely hurt more than help. The studies and industry analyses, including a wide sample from providers like Credit Strong, consistently show that on-time performance is the gateway to benefits. Practical anatomy check. When you evaluate credit builder offers, ask 4 things. Do they report to all 3 major bureaus? Experian/Equifax/TransUnion. If they don't, the impact is limited. What's the term length? Shorter terms, 6 to 12 months, can create a faster signal, but the monthly payment will be larger. Total cost, fees plus interest, versus the expected credit benefit. Some products charge initiation fees. Understand the net. What happens if you miss a payment? Confirm grace periods and late fee structure. Remember, a late payment greater than or equal to 30 days gets reported and will likely harm your score. If you're credit invisible, the timeline can be surprisingly quick. The CFPB's data showed that opening a credit builder loan increased the probability of having a scored file and moved some consumers into higher score ranges within months. But if you already have active debt, the short-term effects are smaller. The loan is best used as a complement to a broader repair plan. Correct reporting errors, reduce revolving utilization, and add a credit builder loan to demonstrate fresh, consistent payments. WiseConsultant.com often recommends credit builder loans as one of 3 tools for thin file clients: secured card, authorized user strategies, and a short-term credit builder loan. Used together, they create a faster, more robust score build than any single tool alone. The tactical playbook: choosing, using, and timing. A credit builder loan to move your score. A credit builder loan can be powerful, but only when used as part of an intentional plan. Think of it as a signal you insert in your file. I can make small monthly payments on time. The real value is in how you combine that signal with other moves: dropping credit card utilization, fixing inaccurate trade lines, and timing reporting around upcoming applications, like a car loan or mortgage. Now we'll walk through selection criteria, timelines, real-world math, and scripts, plus the pitfalls to avoid. Selection criteria: pick the right product. Bureau reporting, the most important requirement. Confirm the lender reports to all 3 major bureaus. Some novelties report to only 1 bureau. That's better than nothing, but limited. Term and payment size. Choose a term you can reliably pay. If the payment is too high, you're more likely to miss and harm your file. Shorter terms move the signal faster, but increase hardship risk. Think 12 months if you want fast movement without an extreme monthly burden. Fees and APR. Compute the cost, total fees plus interest, versus expected credit benefit. Some providers charge initiation fees or higher APRs. Community credit unions sometimes offer lower-cost versions. Promised reporting cadence. How often do they report? Monthly reporting aligned to your on-time payment schedule is ideal. Combining the loan with a broader action plan, example 6-month sprint. Month 0. Pull reports, dispute errors, and apply for a $500 to $1,500 credit builder loan with a 12-month term that reports to all 3 bureaus. Set up autopay, month 1 to 3. Make on-time payments. Prepay a portion of your highest utilization card before its statement close to reduce the revolving reporting balance. Month 3. Check scores. If visible progress is made and a loan application is coming, car/mortgage, time the application within the next 30 to 60 days. Month 6 to 12. Continue payments, add a secured card if necessary, and keep utilization less than 30%, ideally less than 10 to 20%. By 12 months, you'll typically have a strong, diversified file. Who should use credit builder loans? Good candidates: credit invisible, thin file consumers, people disciplined enough to guarantee timely payments, and those who can handle the monthly obligation without sacrificing other minimum payments. Wise Consulting Enterprise. We could help you in such.